today's fast-paced and rapidly evolving digital landscape, it is becoming increasingly essential to possess the right skill to succeed in the job market. Technology is now an integral part of almost every aspect of our lives, from communication to entertainment and from healthcare to finance. The demand for professionals with in-demand tech skills is on the rise and is expected to grow even more in the coming years. In this video, we will discuss why having in-demand tech skills is crucial for both professional and personal development. We would also look at 7 in-demand tech skills you can learn for free and the website where you can learn these in-demand tech skills for free. So if you're watching this video before March 3rd, 2023, then you are very lucky because registration for the training is currently ongoing. It is a 4-week-long free training that involves real-life exercises and assignments to rightly prepare you for the job market. You will also have the opportunity to speak with your coaches one-on-one and ask questions. This training is set to begin on the 6th of March 2023. Don't worry, I will also show you how to register on this website. So make sure you pay attention to every detail in this video. I would also advise that you register immediately after watching this video so you don't miss the deadline, which is 3rd of March 2023. So before showing you this website, let's discuss why in-demand tech skills is crucial for both professional and personal development. Firstly, in-demand tech skills can increase one's employability and earning potential. The job market is becoming increasingly competitive, and having the right tech skills can make a significant difference in securing a desirable job and negotiating a higher salary. Many industries are also being disrupted by technology, and having the relevant skills can provide job security and opportunities for advancement. Also, with the advent of the internet, it has never been easier to start a business. Having in-demand tech skills can help you start and grow your own business by creating digital products, managing online marketing, or building and maintaining a website. Lastly, in today's digital age, where technology is integrated into almost every aspect of our lives, having tech skills can enable individuals to be more productive and efficient in their professional and personal lives. Tech skills can also provide opportunities for innovation and creativity, enabling individuals to develop new products, services, and solutions to meet the needs of the society. In summary, having in-demand tech skills is crucial for both your professional and your personal development, as they can increase employability and earning potential. They can enhance your problem-solving and critical thinking abilities, and they can also provide you opportunities for innovation and creativity in today's digital age. Moving on, the name of this website is called Terra. But this training program is called the Side Hustle Internship. Yes, the training is called the Side Hustle Internship. In order to make this process easier for you, I'll be leaving a link in the description section of this video. So use that link to register on this platform. Mind you, I'm also going to show you how to register, so make sure you stick right with this video. So like I said earlier, the name of this program is called the Side Hustle Internship. It says join the Side Hustle Internship to learn and get the hands-on experience that you need. Our interns are ready to take on entry level and junior position in just 8 weeks. Like I mentioned earlier, the training is going to be for 4 weeks. Now, this is the website, and here are some of the courses that you are going to be learning. You're going to learn front-end web development. You're going to learn back-end web development, data analytics, product design, graphics design, video animation, project management, digital marketing, and customer relation management. These are in-demand tech skills that would help you in this digital age. So let's scroll down this website and see some of the things that you stand to gain. It says what you stand to gain. Since 2020, Side Hustle has trained over 350,000 African youths in various fields across engineering, marketing, product, and design. So you say you're going to get hands-on experience. During the side hustle internship, you'll be assigned projects and team assignments that will give you the needed experience and help you build your portfolio, teamwork, and communication skills. You also be getting you'll be earning 2 certificates from this program. You will learn from the very best people who are going to actually guide you through in this training section. Guys, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss, and all of these are going to come for free. So let me take you to the part of the website where it's showing other people who have gone through this training and their testimonials. Guys, is a lot. It says the internship has been challenging and rewarding. I am overjoyed to have enrolled in these life-changing opportunities. This says the internship has been fantastic with extensive explanations on every step required to maintain your customers following. Like, guys, a lot of people have testimonials from this particular program. Babalola says, I started with side hustle internship knowing very little about UI UX and hoped to be much better by the end of the internship. Throughout the 4 weeks, the lesson, quizzes, and activities have kept me on my toes and broadened my knowledge of the subject. I'm a lot better today than I was when I started. Guys, this is a massive opportunity that you don't want to miss. And mind you, this training is going to be starting on the 6th of March. As you're watching this video, as I'm showing you how to register, I would also advise that you pick up your laptop or you pick up your phone and start registering. Follow me as I'm doing this process. Before we move on with the registration, I would like you to know some of the things you need for this training. The first thing is that you will need a laptop device or your phone. You will need an internet connection. You will need a learning mindset and the grit. Like, you should be ready to put in the work. It's not just something because it's free doesn't mean that you are not going to actually put in the work. They want you to get results. They don't just want to train people that are not competent. They want to train you and ensure that you are competent and you are able to deliver on what you are being trained on. So this is an opportunity that you want to take with your 2 ends. You want to grab it with your 2 ends. Next thing you want to do is to click on the link in the description section of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you over to this page. So now let us start our registration process. The first thing you're going to do is to put in your email address. So I'm going to put in my email address. So after doing that, it would ask you to re-enter your email address. So I'm just going to re-enter the email address. So after doing that, you click on apply now. Then this is the next stage. Don't worry, it's not going to take time. In no time, we're going to be done. So you now start filling in the details, your name, your last name, your gender. I'm a female. You're going to put in your phone number here. Okay. So they're going to ask you, how did you hear about us? You can just put referrer, since I'm the one referring you for the training. Don't worry, once you use the link in the description section, this particular part would have been filled out. You don't have to do that by yourself. So the next thing is asking you to create a password. It's already giving you suggestions of strong password, but make sure that you put something that you can remember. So I'm just going to put in my password now. And I'm going to make sure that these 2 passwords, they match. Then you click on proceed. But before clicking on proceed, remember, if you use the link in the video, in the description section of this video, this referral code will be there already. But if you're not seeing it, you can actually copy out this referral code and put it in this option where it says referral code. So moving on, let's click on proceed. Excellent. It says your learning account has successfully been created. Begin your learning part by choosing a course that interests you the most. Guys, your account has already been created. So the next thing you want to do, please don't log out now. You're not done. You still have like a few more steps to do in order to ensure that you've chosen your course and you've already created your learning platform. So you click on proceed to select course. Here are some of the courses that are available on this platform: front end, back end, data analysis. So whatever one you want to choose, you have the opportunity to choose it from this space. But if you notice, you can see that some they are saying requires laptop at the top, while about 2 of them does not require laptop. So these 2 does not require laptop. So if you don't have a laptop, I suggest you either maybe borrow one from your friend or opt for courses that you can use your mobile phone. Or if you have a laptop, why not? You can pick any of these courses that interest you. This course, I'm going to just be choosing digital marketing and content creation. So it has brought me over to this page and it says learn how to build brands and grow businesses using SEO, SEM, social media marketing, channels, emails, and content marketing. So guys, this is actually awesome. Duration is for 4 weeks. Start date is 6th of March 2023. So the next thing I want to do is to click on apply now. So after applying now, it says you have to take like a baseline assessment in order to completely gain admission for this internship. So what's our baseline? It says we should create an account on this website. This is the website. Then take a screenshot and upload it here. So guys, let's do that right now. We're going to click on this website. It's not going to take time. It's not going to take time. Don't get discouraged. It's not going to take time. So we're going to click on this website now. Okay, so it says social media made easy. So let's just create. One of the reasons why we are going to be creating this account is because it's one of the facilities, it's one of the resources that we're going to be needing when we actually start our training. So create a free account. So we'll just create this account very quickly. It says your name. I'm just going to put my name. Then my email address. Then you're going to put in your password. Then I'm going to create an account. So after creating an account, this is how your page is going to look like. So once you have gotten to this page, depending on the program you're actually applying for, you might be applying for data analytics or a web development, and this is not going to be your baseline assessment. So depending on the course you are going for, your baseline assessment might be different. So, but make sure you follow the instruction of your baseline. And once you're done with that, if you're doing for digital marketing and you're done with this task, all you need to do is to get a screenshot, then come back to where you are doing your baseline assessment, then come and upload that particular screenshot. So I'm just going to upload a screenshot from my phone, from my laptop device. Let's just upload this. Then you click on submit task. So it says congratulations on submitting your baseline assessment. You receive an email regarding the status of your application within the next 1 week. So guys, you are already done. So you can also join their Telegram group. They will send you an email including the link to join their Telegram group, or you can come over to this page and click on join the Telegram group. So guys, you don't want to miss this opportunity. If you have any questions, please leave a comment for me in the comment section of this video. I will put you through everything that you need. The registration is going to be ending by 3rd of March. So make sure, pick your phone, pick your laptop right now and start registering for this training. This is an opportunity for you to increase your earnings, to increase your knowledge, and increase your opportunities. Don't waste this opportunity. So if you have any issues with your registration, please leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'm going to put you through everything that you need to know. This is a very important thing you need to do in 2023 because it will set you up for a life of extraordinary opportunities and access to things that you never thought you could have access to because you got the right skills. So don't miss this opportunity. Right now, click on the link and register. Use the link in my description section to register on this platform, and you are going to thank me later.